Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to dark theme in the AutoScout24 app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoScout app. On the top left corner you can see this menu icon. If you tap on it, you can find the settings. Tap on settings and appearance. Tap on appearance, and here you can choose to use your device theme, light theme, or to use dark theme. If you tap on it, it's automatically changed to dark theme, and you can use like this. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.